Many people say that travels broadens the mind, and at that time we got one of these life lessons. After 1 month spent in Sahara Desert doing production for Frontrunner, we had planned to explore Morocco, visit Atlas Mountains, visit Marrakesh, and along the coastline drive back to the ferry and jump to Spain. But during first day in Atlas Mountains, we were stopped by stomach bacteria, and 2 weeks that we planned for exploring, we spent in one place. Luckily, we found perfect campground with rooms to stay, so we parked the car next to the building, just cook and relax. Day by day, we had a hope to be back on schedule, but after the 5th day, we decided to give up our plans and just wait. When I got a bit better and waiting for better days for Monica, I had enough time to do maintenance of our Defender. After 1 month in the desert, it was full of dust and sand, so my first choice was air filter. There was no vacuum cleaner in the neighborhood, so I was cleaning it with a wet dish sponge. Day by day was passing and I went back to my routines, and after a crazy month I felt that I really slowed down. After 12 days, it was time to prepare car for transferring us to the north. I refilled water, prepared the food, and hit the road to catch the ferry. We were passing through beautiful landscapes, but unfortunately we didn't have possibility to stop and properly enjoy it. That was a big life lesson for us, that whatever happens in your life, you have to accept it and understand that everything is about change. Changing your plans, changing your mind, or just change your air filter.